Now, as I remember it, going through these alders was very, very difficult. But I don't think I've gone through them for about 6 years. I've gone that way. See, now that they're so nice and tall, they arch up. I'll give a little space in between. Uh-oh. Ooh, these are interesting. That stump used to be on the corner of the beaver lodge. Oh yeah, I know where I am. This was I used to canoe through here. I would canoe right through there. Come around the edge of this and then go that way. This was the Marsh Woods Pond. Okay, let's go over here. To the stream. It's going down to -30 tonight. Right now it's about, which is -20 Fahrenheit. Right now it's about -1, which is about 31 Fahrenheit. Look at the stream. Yay! Look at the chairs. Now the stream is no wider than that, so you don't have to worry about me falling in. Okay, coconut. Hey look, the beaver have chewed some off. I wonder how recent that is. They chewed those off. This looks like they have a little trench here. See, this was chewed off many years ago. But that one, and that group are new. Well, they're not new. This is not their first winter. No, I guess this is, the beaver had a channel here. Isn't this pretty? Now, I didn't canoe through here. Sometimes I did, but it was really hard to get through because I had to go through that. Back when this was a big, big pond. These are the alders that were very difficult to get through. Okay, so that was the dam. And Virginia and I built part of the dam right in here because it was flooding into the woods. And then we called the pond, which was right up there, we called it the ladies only pond. This looks a little narrow. How about here? Oh, that looks better. And here we go. I remember one of these branches whipping into my eyes. These are dead. Not all of them. That one was. Huh. It's very grown up. These bushes were just about this high. Look at how that one's got the bark come off. Could make a campfire out here. A lovely little campfire. Oh, look, a downed log. Don't let it trip us up. We'll have to get up again. I get down, but I get up again. Oh, isn't it beautiful? The marsh woods. This was the marsh woods pond out there. This is the marsh woods. I love this place. It has such a will to live. It's a survival place. There's this pole. This tree fell down, but that's because that's what happens in the marsh woods. Everything falls down. Oh, it looks like here we have another one. We have enough to make a nice little teepee on this side, probably. See, that's my bridge. There should be a chair in there somewhere where I sat to watercolor. Okay, so here we are at the entrance to the marsh woods. Look at this. See, here's the sign. It says the marsh woods. I made it. T-H-E marsh woods. Okay, I'm going to start a new video.